How to view pages side by side in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. So, I will show you, well, one or two different ways we can actually achieve this. It is not the best, and unfortunately, for the time being, still, Canva does not really give a future where we can just view them side by side the way you actually think. Instead, we get a grid view and also the photo book sort of template that we can use, where it's just going to be two at the same time if we just viewed them in the preview mode. And I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to say here. So if we just go ahead and create a new design, and we just go to this custom size here, and I'm just going to add a few elements to the pages. So let me just go ahead and add another page here. And if I just go for another thing here, I'm just trying to add anything for the time being. Okay, I think that's enough. So how do we actually view them side by side? For the time being, you can actually see we have the normal view, which is going to be like this, where we can just, scroll down, up and down to actually view them. And we actually now want to view them side by side. Now, like I said, there's no good way, which is going to be perfect, but the easier way, and if you're not going to be using a photo book template, the only way you can actually do this is if you scroll down, not scroll, I mean, if you just go to the bottom right of your screen, you should find the grid view. If you click on that, you can see now we can actually view them side by side. So you can actually view first page here, second and third. But the thing is, we can't really edit them at the same time as we are viewing it. So for example, if you were trying to line up stuff and make it side by side, unfortunately, for the time being, you cannot really do that. And yes, right now it is not very zoomed in. So what we can actually do is go ahead and actually zoom in with our Google Chrome, which should be just holding control and scrolling up with your mouse wheel. You can just go here on the top of your screen, and we can just go 150. I think 150 is going to be best. And this is how to view it side by side. Now, if you do have a photo book sort of design and template, so let's just go ahead and show you that as well. If we just go ahead and create a design and then try to actually look for a photo book. Let me just go ahead and get a template real quick. So we can actually create a blank one from here. If you just go to more, when you actually click on create a design, we can actually go for photo book, and we can just go ahead and use this one as an example. And you would want to edit the images. Normally you can just go ahead and insert whatever elements that you want, and I will just go ahead and add more stuff here in the background so I can show you how it's actually going to look like. Okay, so I just added whatever I could find from my uploads here. I'm not really trying to make it look pretty. But anyways, once you actually add your pages here, and what we can actually do is preview the photo book template, and it's just going to be side by side as if it is a book. So this is how it actually is going to look like if we want to print out a book. Okay, so I'm pretty lost with this new glow up for Canva. I can't really find the preview option, but usually if you actually preview a photo book template, it's just going to be side by side as you would expect a book would be. But these are the two only ways that I can actually name that are available in Canva for the time being to view pages side by side. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.